Hi Paul, right, we've got the top on. I definitely recommend 2, well 3 or even 4 people putting the top on because it is heavy and it is tall. And yeah, we don't want anybody getting squashed. So that was a case of lifting it up with 3 or 4 people, right up, coming across, and then back down into place. And then just give it a wiggle to make sure everything is lined up properly. It's in place like that. Oh, I may well give you some washers to put under the doors as well, just like the other wardrobe. But again, it's the same principle as the other one. Bottom pin in the hole, and then pin down. Again, do this with 2 people. Wedge goes on just like the other wardrobe. That goes back in place. You might want to just pull that down and then confirm that's nice and tight. And then go to the other side. So there may be a washer. I'll probably put a couple of washers, but you can put one under each side if you need to. Place. Oh, right, that's an easy mistake to make. That hasn't gone in the hole properly. It was just outside the strip of metal, so just be wary of that. So that's in place nicely now. Wedge in place, and that's nice and flush. That's good. And then your hanging pegs. They come down and slot into the supports either side. So they just slot in. That's quite straightforward. And the little catch we've got, make sure that that's a bit tight. Just put some WD-40 on that for you. And we have a key. So that's all fine. And the drawers, obviously, slide in there. And all I have to do is to find some white porcelain knobs for you, so they'll be fitted for you on the drawers. And there's your wardrobe. And obviously when you're putting it together, any problems you're having, please give me a call. You'll have my phone number and my details. So the most important thing and the most difficult thing is putting the top on. So as long as you've got enough people, I'm sure it'll be fine. There was another way that we actually put the top on. I didn't show you because it's not really the proper way of doing it, but before, obviously we put the, when the wardrobe was all together without the top on, we laid it on its back, so the whole wardrobe laid on its back. We offered the top up to it, juggled it around, then put the supports on, made sure that was secure, then between 2 of us we lifted it up like that with the top on. Now the only problem with doing that is there's a lot of strain, because the top is very heavy. There's a lot of strain on the back feet and the bottom wedges. It was okay when we did it, it was fine, but I didn't want to show you doing that because it's not really the best way of doing it. So if you really haven't got enough people to put the top on, then that will be a way of doing it, but give me a call and then I can talk you through the process before you do it.